Oftentimes on the internet I come across some dope spots that I really want to check out and bring you guys on. Today we're visiting one of these spots, and the best part about this spot is I didn't even have to go far. The spot is pretty close.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do.
Here's the gate down here. I don't know if I just pull or guys, this spot is dope. Have a nice little pool area here. Yeah man, yeah. Ah, vibes. Yeah, that makes sense. So yeah guys, so we are currently at pretty close. It's a dope location. It's a river. They offer like breakfast and lunch here, so you can definitely, if you don't have to bring food if you come in here. I think there's also a waterfall somewhere in the region that we can go to, but it's a dope spot and I'm really excited to finally be here after seeing it so much. Go look around. Have a lot of pups around the place. Ooh, this place is just so pretty, it's so beautiful. Like I've seen it on the cameras before, you know, but actually being here, whew, so pretty. Let me see if I can get a top-down view for you. Yeah, so they have the kitchen area here. This is like a shop. They have a changing room somewhere around there, a nice little umbrella with some chairs, and, you know, the river trickles down there. That's the owner there, Tomo. So he's the owner of the place, and he's the owner and the main chef here. So I'll ensure that I have his contact number and Instagram attached. I have a little hammock set up here. Yeah guys, so this is Ramone, this is the owner. Yeah. Pretty close. Not far, pretty close. So Ramone, if you could have used one phrase to describe pretty close, how would I do it? Authentic. And not far. So what we have for the menu today?
Aki and kalaloo, fried breadfruit, plantain, wrap with rice and peas, sip,
yeah.
whole heap of food, Ital stew, whole heap of food.
Whole heap of food. Oh gosh man. You hear that guys? So you can come and get your dining by the riverside. It's a dope experience.
It's not far man, it's pretty close.
Yeah Jaja, big up. So yeah, you guys heard from Ramone himself. A lot of things on the menu for today. Just going to chill for a bit, enjoy the water, eat some breakfast. I'm not sure if we're going to do the hike to the waterfalls before or after. It's only me here. Well, a young lady came just now, so it's not a lot of people, not a lot of loud music, so it's a real nice vibe. So we're going in the changing room guys, the changing area. Oh yo, it's actually bigger than I expected. Even it, oh, I have a mirror. I never know if I have a mirror. Just going to change into swimwear, chill for a bit. They get some nice food, breadfruit, a fry, aki done. So it's a whole vibes, and I'm here for the whole day. So catch you guys. Ooh. Ramone. I try, you know, try to build a channel.
Because you try that not to try.
True. Woo. Water cold though guys. So we have a nice the fall here. I want to go sit in the fall so badly, but I feel like I should. Feel like it's too early. Probably like after I eat breakfast. But I haven't eaten from morning because I know I was anticipating breakfast. I didn't eat. So as soon as I have breakfast, look, the fish them up pick from my foot. Watch out. Yo, it feels so funny with them and nibble on your foot. The fish, you did have on your cracks a while ago? It feels funny. I'm not sure if you guys can see them, but they're nibbling at my feet. It's like a free penny. You don't have to pay. You see, everything is available at pretty close. Get a nice vibe, a nice environment. Is I'm told them sexy. Nice environment, nice food, and free pedicure. So Tomo just brought me breakfast, and as you see here, it's a healthy breakfast. So I have some ackee and saltfish, some callaloo, a few fried plantains and fried breadfruit. Have some tomato and saltfish there. Yo, it's a real vibe. Guys, this is so good. Everything from the callaloo to the ackee. Fried plantain is always good regardless, so you can't go wrong with that. But so good. I'm almost done, and as you can see, the callaloo was fire. That's the first thing that I finished. But so far the food is excellent, and surprisingly I got a lot for breakfast. This is a lot for breakfast, so imagine what the lunch will be like. Lunchtime.
Yes, please.
I want coconut again, so.
I know.
Something there. I have a question, because one of my friends them when it come,
Yeah.
she allergic to almost everything. Someone who you do like custom anything from the sea, pine, anything nut. So you
we do vegan, okay, have vegan too.
so you could have customized something for her.
I cook Ital stew to that thing. So them could actually eat that and the sip we boil. Maybe I don't know if them allergic to coconut.
No man, no, she can't eat.
No, the sip and them thing that them could have same man.
Oh.
Yeah.
So you still have something for them.
Yeah man.
But I mean like if
coconut we use and them thing that's
so
straight.
like we can make like requests.
No, I cook that like every weekend.
Every week, oh, so that
two vegan people come and have something for them when them come.
True.
Fish and vegetable alone with them. I don't cook chicken and
No.
So I just, you know, cook with love, so I think I love it.
I tell man the food bad.
Just time I want to cook it.
Mm-hmm.
Right. But we have a website that launch soon where them can actually book online.
Oh yeah man.
The amount of traffic for my Instagram now. It's
Say
overwhelming.
stress to go through it.
I can't manage it. And then I have to cook, I have to focus on the cooking and yeah man, I'm blessing man. One at a time I'm alone and say pretty close, you know. You know, it's like it for everybody too.
Yeah. The first time I see it,
Not far.
the first time I see it, it never saw. Keep on the internet, it never saw something there.
Continue the work, man. So around
Mm-hmm.
some amphitheater, you see the bonfire and things. Someone want to show move up on the rock right here.
Yeah,
And I have a projector on the shine on it and things. So soon start moving.
night
right.
vibes too.
They're like a movie vibes, like couples and
Mm-hmm.
singleton. So, you know.
Yeah.
People come to meet, people see me and all.
True. Boom. There you have it. Crime scene. Everything done. How him say the dog your name again? Bomber. Hey, I wonder if him sell bash, because I want a bash. You know. So, just finished breakfast. We're chill now. I'm definitely going to go in the water now. We get lunch a little later today. So, once you book here, you get to come in. You get breakfast, lunch, a free coconut. So it's a whole vibe. Whoa! Oh. Yo! You guys know I'm all about the experience, and this is definitely a top one. So I'm really excited for the hike later. So I'm at the hammock. These things are always tricky to get into, you know, let me see. Yo, why this so nice? Oh, yo! Look at this. Like the big rock face in front of us. While they're just rocking away in the hammock. So dope, overlooking pretty close. Yeah, I said it before, but it's such a nice, tranquil spot. A nice break from a hectic work week. You know, a lot of things going on, so it's nice to come and get my therapy. And I definitely recommend that you guys come and check out this spot. As I say, I'll ensure that I have the information that you need to reach out to Ramone, linked either in the description or it would have been shown in the video already. But definitely reach out to him. He's a nice chill brother, you know, nice chill vibe, no noise. That's the best part. The only sounds you hear, sounds of nature. You guys know whenever I come to a river, I have to do some level of exploring. So I see a little spot there that I want to have a look at. Yo, you have like nice little canopy cover here. Ooh. Ooh, nice. That's about bird, pick it out. The pine, may I look on right here, so? Here you go this way to go to the falls. So the dog them know the way to the falls. One more mango tree. Alright, that's all. Should I walk with the stick, you know? Although I can't reach nothing this. Oh, so it's two different ones. So Lion Orchid would have got away there. And for the fern next one, we got away there. So at this point, just following the dog. Not sure if that was the falls there or there is another one further up. Ramone said the dog them know the way, so just a follow the dog. Are we here wait one or are you say road done? Followed the dog and there's a next sign that's here. Oh, it said not far. I guess.
I am not Dora.
I'm convinced I'm hear people up there. I move like my second guess himself. But that's clearly one of the falls though, because it have this side. I just style the way. Just I say, go to the next one because we the here. So back at the first sign, we went to the next falls. No, see Mike saying turn back. So we're just going up to the next one to see what that's like.
You first.
Yeah. You see how high it is. Hey, cool, you know? Just do it and done, you know? I'm gonna stick. Woo! Refreshing.
Different.
Thanks. Dog just a wait for me.
You said take it time.
Yeah, take your time. Like if you used to it, if you used to people coming here and dipping. We're just saying that this walk is a bit more than 10 minutes. And then we get the sign to motivate us that we're not far. We're pretty close. Yeah. Oh yeah, probably that team uses as direction, so you just look for the spot. The blue spot. That's smart, so you can't lose your way. I don't know if you guys can see the falls in the distance on the GoPro, but this is the Orchid Falls.
Now this is a waterfall.
Sorry, I never walk with my phone.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I mean, walk right.
You guys probably can't see, but there's a rope up that side that we can use to go on top of the waterfalls. So we're going to try to get up that. Alright, I forgot put up the camera because this requires both hands. Guys, this is how steep it is. It's extremely steep. So we're just doing one person on the rope at a time. Woo. There's another fall. So apparently there's another fall up here. But this is the only way down. Guys, I don't know why I'm recording while I'm doing this. Probably need both hands, but oh, I mean, I feel like we can do it go down, you know. Look how high I'm there.
Yeah, it's only by a rope. That's the rope.
There's an next falls further up there, but the thing is we have to go down a rope here. Not so sure about that part there. So I guess it's back down. So going back down, guys. Just so you guys get an idea as to how steep it is. But made it down. We don't want to go around to that side, but it's not possible. Back way easier? To you? Oh, to you. What a climb that was. Him come down? The dog there. Way up this way. This has been such a dope experience. We're going to head back down, so pretty close now. Hopefully by the time we reach back, lunch is almost ready and we can get that nice cool jelly. It was a great experience. Beautiful falls. So we're back at pretty close, guys. Yeah, so him stop at the sign to see which one we go first, and we went to the top one. Then him come back and go up the next part, carry to the second one. Ah, yes I respect. So we just got some sip, because it's not soup. Yeah, sip, not soup. Doesn't have any meat kind or anything in it, just vegetable. Nice piece of corn, some carrots. Yeah. No salt, by the way. So I can tell it doesn't have salt in it or any soup spices. It's just strictly pumpkin and the vegetables. So it doesn't have the rooster noodles in it. And it's filling, because even this. Exactly, yeah, I figured that out. I mean, say, you can say I just pumpkin and natural things. Bad sales. So, really. Oh, alright, respect. Chef Ramone at it again. Chef Ramone. So, I got fried fish, ackee and saltfish, callaloo again, a little Ital stew, plantain. Just look at this. Yo, this smells so good. I'm interested in the stew, so let me try the stew firstly. So, it seems pumpkin based, so it's similar to the soup that we had just now. Pumpkin, peas, and a few, I would say, this is what, dumplings? Yeah, a few dumplings. But it's a nice stew, not too salty. Let me get some of that with the rice and peas. I like the stew a lot. No, the interesting is I've never had callaloo with okra in it. So let me try some of the callaloo with the okra and the rice and peas. And a bit of the ackee there too as well. Oh wow. Belly honestly full, like belly full. There's some escovite sauce that I want to go get put on the fish to see what that's like, but the food is very filling, trust me. Worth every penny, and it's so good. Oh, I'm using red onions, bossy. Onions, carrot, pepper. You like spice? No, may I ask if you like spice?
Oh, yeah, to a limit. To a certain limit.
Well, Indian and Chinese food are the only Asian food I've had. But Indian food, more spicy to me. You could. You see if you string some light all across here, so both see at night time.
Kind of paradise.
Yeah, both see. Yeah, I like that too. So the place not get crowded. Everybody have at least space.
Everybody have got their own different place.
They just open, especially like on a day like this, or like on holidays. It would defeat the purpose of the place. Man, Jaja go on with themselves in the kitchen still.
Them deserve every cent that come out of me.
From left country come at town. Which parish you from, by the way? Huh? From Manchester? Manchester I come from, you know? Spur tree. You will want something, don't mama? My friend them did want this efficient school, you know. What care we go on the height? No man, for reward it, man.
So 10 minutes to walk on the easy. So I'm going to explore. So I reached there, start to the sign. So I was going to recommend Governor and Arctic Falls. So it's the two lower ones. This is where you see the border of the falls. Alright. So two on one side of the river, it's two river around there. So two on one side and two on the other. Alright.
Go for the top one there, we'll go up the rope. When they can go over the next part?
You never go over there?
No.
So at this point my camera started acting up. Basically Ramone was explaining here that if we had gone down the rope there would have been another falls on the other side, and we could then just simply climb back up. After this we just got the jellies, drank the jellies, chilled for a bit, and then we got ready to leave.
So I'm leaving now, Maroons. Have to give a big shout out to Ramone, Jaja and the whole team. Remember, it's reservations only if you're coming to pretty close. And you guys should definitely check it out. It was a good experience, and I'll have the details in the description if you want to check it out. Remember, Maroons, in everything that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. Right. I'll see you guys in the next video.
I know you never gonna believe me, but me would have found it if we keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float pan. Slow jams why you feel like listen. Anything to turn in a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing, 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 nothing.